Hi, I'm Mark with the North Shore Commercial Door.com. Today we're going to do a little introduction, and we're introducing a repair service board, control board, PC board. Everybody's got a different call for it, but it's the motherboard or the brain of the Genie operator. The part number that we're going to be talking about today is a 39537R.S. And when it comes to you, it's going to come to you in a box. I'll open this up and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. It's going to come in a static package to keep static down. You can't see much of the control board. When they ship this one, this is actually part of the outside covering of the opener. So that's the board. With the board, and this is something nice that Genie does, when you buy a new control board, they're going to send directions with it. So my suggestion is, before you do anything, sit down, spend a few minutes reading the directions, and it'll tell you everything that you need to do to replace that board. And also, when you replace the board, you're going to have to reset some of the parameters of the operator. So the directions are going to tell you how to do that. So spend some time with those directions. If you run into trouble and you need some help, you can always give us a call. We can also get you to Genie's tech support. They do a good job of helping people in the field. So this should fix whatever ails the operator and give you some more good service out of that opener. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video from NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make content like this. Thank you.